welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the LA Girl Get Feverish Eyeshadow Palette. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. This eyeshadow palette retails for $10.99 on Target's website. On LA Girl's website, it does retail for $12. I'm not sure why it's cheaper on Target, but it's still available. I do want to read a little bit about this eyeshadow palette before we dive in. It does say, are you an eyeshadow fanatic? We are. Meet our new Fanatic eyeshadow collection. 4 unique palettes with 12 richly pigment shades in an array of matte and satin finishes. Create a fabulous eye look to inspire beauty. We're your biggest fan. That's what it says on the LA Girl's website. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says LA Girl Get Feverish Eyeshadow Palette. When you flip it over on the back, you do have a little description here. You have the ingredients, the barcode. Let's open this up. Here's what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. I haven't even opened it to see the shades or anything because I wanted to do it live on camera with you guys. Let's open this up. I really do like the black packaging. And here's what the back looks like. So let's see. It looks very, oops, we lost the little plastic, which is this. That's fine, we'll leave that for later. The shades in this palette look gorgeous. It's way better than it was online than I expected. And look, it comes with a mirror, which is super awesome. The palette does not have any names on. There are 12 shades in this palette. There are 7 shimmer shadows and 5 matte shades. Let's start with this first shadow here. Ooh, it's so soft in the pan. What that shadow looks like. It's very pigmented. Here is what the first shade looks like. Wow, so pigmented. Look at that shimmer. Let's see what the second shimmer in the palette swatch is like. Again, very soft in the pan. Here's what that shade looks like. Here's what the second shimmer looks like. Again, very soft in the pan and very pigmented as well. We have another shimmer. I'm very impressed by these shimmer shadows. They swatch very nice. Hopefully the shimmer shades pop on the eyes. The fourth shade in the palette is a matte shadow. Very soft in the pan again. Here's what that shade looks like. Here we have that fourth shadow. It's a matte. Again, super pigmented. Let's see what this fifth shade looks like. It's another matte shadow. I do want to build up this shadow again, so I have a little bit more. That kind of blended right into my skin. A little bit better. That would be a great transition shadow. The last shade in the top row is another matte shadow. Here we have the first 6 shades in the palette. Let's start with the next row. The first shade in the bottom row is a shimmer. Here's what that shadow looks like. Let's see what this next shade looks like. Here was that shadow. Again, a gorgeous shimmer. The third shadow is a matte shade, very soft in the pan once again. Here's what that shade looks like. It looks gorgeous. The fourth shadow in the bottom row, we have another shimmer. Here's what that looks like. Another gorgeous shimmer. We have this gorgeous purple. You guys know I love purple. Look at that. And you guys, I'm not getting any fallout, which is amazing as well. The purple is the last shimmer in the palette. Again, very nicely pigmented. There's no skipping on these shadows. They swatch so nicely. The last shadow is a matte shade. Very soft in the pan again. Again, I'm not getting any fallout. Here's what that shadow looks like. Here we have the last matte. They're all gorgeous shades, you guys. I love it. Here we have all 12 shadows swatched on the back of my hand. Now we're gonna create a look using this palette. Taking a fluffy brush, we're gonna dip into the 5th shade in the palette. We're gonna be blending this in our crease. I love that this palette comes with a mirror. Wow. Look how pigmented that 5th shadow is. I'm gonna keep blending this into the crease. A little bit goes a long way. This feels like a high quality palette, you guys. It feels like an expensive eyeshadow palette. It doesn't feel like I purchased it from Target. Blending it really nicely, very easily. Look at the blend. It blended out really, really good, you guys. I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the other eye. Look how much color payoff I'm getting. I don't even have to dunk my brush in because it's so pigmented. And the best thing is I'm not getting any fallout, which is so awesome. I'm so shocked how easily that shade blended out. I was not expecting that from a drugstore eyeshadow palette. Normally I would have to go back and forth building up the color. It looks really good, you guys. Taking a clean blending brush, we're gonna dip into the fourth shadow. We're gonna dust off the excess. See how much product it picks up? Placing that on the outer V. I'm just tapping the product in, outer V, just like that. I'm be doing the same thing for the other eye, tapping it in circular motions. I don't think I need to go back in and use more product, just blending this out a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, blending it out just a little bit. I'm so impressed with the matte shadows. Let's play with the shimmer shades. Taking a flat brush, we're gonna dip into the fourth shadow in the bottom row. We're gonna be placing this shadow in the center of our lid. Again, you guys, I'm not getting any fallout. This is a shimmer. The shimmer shade is not intense. I'm gonna wet my brush. We're gonna go back into this shadow. Let's see how it performs. That's so pretty. I'm so impressed by this shimmer shadow. I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. I was not expecting it to show up at all, to be quite honest. I was honestly not expecting the shimmer shadows, well, the shimmer shades in general, to show up on my eyelid. It's from the drugstore. Whenever I buy something from the drugstore and I get it home and I swatch it, it swatches so nicely. But then after I apply it to my eyelids, it doesn't apply that great. I would never give a drugstore palette a 10 out of 10. It just performs so good. Look at that. This palette is amazing. There's no fallout, it's pigmented, and it shows up on your eyelids. I'm impressed, LA girl. I'm definitely gonna be purchasing more palettes from them. I finished applying the shimmer shadow all over my lid. Taking a smaller detail brush, we're gonna dip into the first shadow in the second row. We're gonna be applying that in our inner corner. Ooh, that's so pretty. That shade is so pretty. It gives it a little bit of a pop. That is gorgeous. Added mascara and a lip. For mascara, I went in with my L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. For lips, I currently have on the ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Capiche. My final thoughts on the LA Girl Get Feverish Eyeshadow palette is I love this palette. It's a 10 out of 10. The only downside of this palette, and that's me personally nitpicking it, I think it has too many shimmer shadows. I personally don't use a lot of shimmer shades on my eyes. I use a lot of matte shadows, but that's me totally nitpicking it. The color story is gorgeous. It comes with a mirror. Like, I was not expecting this palette to come with a mirror. It's $10.99. The shadows blend out so nicely. I love the matte shades. They're all very buttery in the pan. If you guys love shades like this, like I do, you would love this palette. The formula of this palette reminds me of a high-end palette. It's so good. Here's a closer look on how everything looks like together. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.